In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge GitHub accounts. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, so merging your GitHub accounts can be a great way to streamline your projects, especially if you're looking to consolidate your repositories into one main account. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, the very first thing you need to do is log into the account that currently holds the repositories you want to transfer. Think of this as the account you want to extract projects from. So grab your credentials and head over to github.com. Once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with your dashboard if you haven't already. Once you're on your dashboard, the next step is to select the specific repository you want to move. If you have a lot of repositories, you might want to use the filters to help narrow them down. Just click on the name of the repository you wish to transfer, and you'll be directed to the repository's dedicated page. Now that you're on the repository page, look towards the top, and you should see a tab labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on that. This section is where you can manage all the settings for that particular repository. As you scroll down the settings page, you'll notice a section titled Danger Zone. I know it sounds a bit intimidating, but don't worry, you're in safe hands here. Within this section, you'll find the option that says Transfer Ownership. Click on that option to begin the transfer process. GitHub will prompt you to enter the username of the account where you'd like the repository to go. Type in the correct username of the target account, making sure there are no typos because you wouldn't want to send it to the wrong place. Once you've entered the username, GitHub will ask you to confirm the transfer. This is done by requiring you to retype the name of the repository you're moving. This step ensures that you really want to proceed with the transfer of that specific repository. After you've typed in the repository name, you will see some terms and conditions about the transfer process. Make sure to read these carefully as they detail what happens to issues, forks, and any associated data once the transfer is complete. When you're ready, acknowledge those terms and confirm the transfer. And there you go. That's how you've successfully moved one repository. If you have multiple repositories that you're looking to transfer, you'll need to repeat these steps for each one individually. It can be a bit time-consuming, but the clarity of having everything in one account will definitely be worth the effort in the long run. Before you dive in and start transferring everything, remember to check that you have the necessary permissions to transfer the repository. If not, you might run into a few roadblocks along the way. So that's it for today's tutorial on merging GitHub accounts. I hope this has helped you understand how to transfer your repositories smoothly from one account to another. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more helpful guides like this. Happy